Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to create a project within KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the project's application, he or she can click on the Global Create button and click on the New Project button. The Create New Project form appears. Here, the user can enter the name of the project, the duration range of the particular project, the project currency, the industry to which the project is related, the responsible entity within the organization who will be handling the project, and finally, the various customers for the particular project. These customer selections will be reflecting within the invoices application in KEBS, which is covered in another video. The customer tags for the same is selected, and here the Microsoft Teams group can be displayed and put up and linked with this particular project so that all the documents that are present within this particular project can be put up in this particular Teams group. Once done, we have moved on to the planning board, and in order to trigger the creation of a product, at least one item need to be present under the particular project. The various features and functionalities within the project planning board will be displayed in another video. But for now, let us create a single item within the project. Once a single item is created, we can move on to the next section, which is the documents. And here, the various documents that are required for the project to be kicked off can be uploaded and also removed. New file names can also be added and documents can be uploaded for the same. This can be done both during the creation stage and after the creation of the particular project. Once all the details are specified, the user can click on Submit and the project is created under the Sales Handover Sheet category, but the project is created successfully. Further progression from the SHS will be discovered in a later video. Thank you for watching.